For your dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. Consolidator didn't waste time at the start, moving up by the rail. Missionel as they race towards the 1,000 meters post. Missionel takes up the running. Lucky Touch moving up by the rail to take second. Consolidator shuffle back in third. Then followed by Mr. Integrity. Ale down on the inside. Royal Jewels running by the rail is Sauvignon, is Scotland Yard as they race towards the last 600. Missionel leading the field. Running in second is Lucky Touch. Consolidator now trying to get closer in third. Mr. Integrity racing in fourth, and by the rail is Ale as they rounded the last 450. Consolidator now throwing a challenge on the outside. Then by the rail, Lucky Touch, Ale, Mr. Integrity. And down the stretch they come. Consolidator followed now by Mr. Integrity. Ale, moving up by the rail. And down the stretch and leading the finish line. We have Consolidator by about 6 lengths, followed now by Ale. And finally, Consolidator. Ale. Then comes Mr. Integrity, number 7, Missionel.
Ano bali datingan natin?